If you are an engineering student and working professional and want to get a job or grow in your career in the top product-based companies, then knowing the system design is must. But the biggest challenge we have is we don't have proper guidance available for the system design. That is how the system design component work, how the design pattern work in these top level companies. So Vimal Daga, I work from last 20 years in almost all top Fortune 500 companies, work very closely with their top leaders, tech leaders, their chief executive, technical managers. I'm ready to share my knowledge of very deep insight about how system design and all the component work. So I'm coming guys to you to share my internal core insight about system design in my free workshop. See you there.